Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing pantry haul with you that I got from Amazon. All these grocery products that I ordered. Now at first we have this Vedaka Tur Dal. Most of the brands are this Vedaka brand, which is an Amazon brand itself. Now I'll mention the original price on the left hand side of screen and the product that I got for on the right hand side. Now this one is 500 grams, which original cost is 70 rupees, but I got it for 75.60 like that with shipping charges. Next I have this poha, which is where this poha is very nice. I really like, so I again and again go back to this one. It is again from the brand Vedaka, which is 500 gram, cost 65 rupees, but I got it for 43 rupees along with the shipping, as I said. And this is the peanuts, which is 1 kg packet, again from the same brand. Cost is 180 rupees, but I got it for 172 rupees. Then I got this spaghetti pasta, which is of wheat, which is 500 gram. The cost is 198 rupees and I got it for 106. The price I'll be mentioning on the screen. I have brought this for the first time, so I don't know how it will be, and they have given instructions on the side as well, like how you have to cook it and all that. Here the instructions are mentioned. And here below the price and everything is mentioned. Next I have this Tata salt, which is again 1 kg, and the original cost is 20 rupees, but you get it for 18, but its delivery it comes up to 19.44, so it is almost similar to the original cost. Next I have this Vedaka green moong, which is 500 grams. The cost is 80 rupees and I got it for 74.31. Now the cost and shelf life, everything is mentioned. Most of the things I've tried is from their brand, Amazon brand Vedaka. Even the spaghetti pasta, that is also Amazon brand. Then I have this Ashirwad chili powder, which is 200 gram, cost is 64, but they have mentioned different prices in different states, and I got it for 64.80. So they have mentioned the prices. Next I have this Vedaka soya chunks, which is 200 gram. I just got the 200 gram one. They are mini soya chunks, which is 35 rupees, and I got it for 27 rupees. Next I got this Beam liquid, which is 1.8 liter, which is a very good bottle it comes in, but you all will need a mini bottle to store this little by little, which costs 360 rupees, but I got it for 348 rupees. It's a very good, the quantity is also given very nice, and the bottle also looks very nice. The total of all this, the cost was 1461, and if I go by the original prices, it comes up to 1672. So the savings was almost 211 rupees or so. Next I got this Park Avenue soap. I thought this will be like buy 3 get 1 free, means 3 soaps, but there were 3 packets of soap, which cost 376 rupees. If you go to C47 multiplied by how many are there, so it comes up to 376, but I got it for 318. The smell of this is very nice. It's men's soap. Next I got this Surf Excel detergent bar, which is pack of 4. Here they have mentioned the price is 94, but I got it for around 100 rupees with the shipping charges, which was more than what was mentioned on the cover. This is how the each individual bar looks like. This is how it comes inside. And last I have this sunflower oil, which is 1 liter packet for 130 rupees, and I got it for somewhere around I think 112 or so. I'll be mentioning the price on the screen, you can check that out. This is from Fortune Sunflower Oil. I'll be leaving down the link of all this in the description box, you can check it out. They all are very nice products.